Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. During the monsoons, I'm sure you too would be craving like me to eat some chatpata starter items, maybe some pakodas or some hot cutlets. So today I'll share with you the recipe of how we make chicken cutlets at our place. If you like our video, please click on the like button, share it with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. So the ingredients for today are 500 grams of boneless chicken breast, turmeric, salt, two green chilies, and I've used some mint leaves which I've grown it at my place, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 bowl of fresh coriander leaves, 3 whole potatoes, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can increase this in case if you like to eat spicy, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of cumin powder and half teaspoon of black pepper powder, breadcrumbs, and 2 eggs. So the ingredients displayed out over here are the ones that we'll be using across to make this amazing chicken cutlets today. So in the cooker we add the chicken, the pepper powder, the cumin powder, the garam masala powder, the chili powder, the ginger garlic paste. Ensure that you use all of the ginger garlic paste that we've mentioned of here. We'll add a pinch of turmeric, and then we'll also be adding salt as per taste. We'll add the coriander powder. Once all of these spices are being added across to the chicken, ensure that you mix them really well so that the flavors get exchanged between them. The peeled potatoes and cut into two are being placed across in this mixture, and then we put across 1 glass of water into the cooker. Cover the cooker and keep it on medium flame until the potatoes and the chicken have been cooked thoroughly. Now we'll remove these particular potatoes off and dry off the water so that all these flavors get into the chicken. So here we have the chicken and the potatoes kept separately. This is our way of how we actually shred the chicken. So you can shred the chicken of the sizes that you would prefer it to be. Once the chicken is shredded, we mash the potatoes really well so that there are no lumps of those particular potatoes left in this mixture. Then we add the finely cut coriander, mint leaves, and the chilies, and we add 2 medium sized onions which have been finely chopped to it. Now we'll also add 1 tablespoon of Everest chicken masala powder and mix all of this particular mixture really well. So we see that it's all been mixed well. Now we are going to be making the cutlet balls of it. So make a ball and then slowly press it across and ensure that it doesn't break off from the sides, or else the cutlet would break when frying and all. So once this cutlet is being made into balls, cutlet balls, you need to coat it across with the breadcrumbs and start making this for the entire mixture in the same fashion as how we see it across here. Once they are all ready, we need to keep these particular cutlets into the fridge for 15 minutes so they just get a little bit stiffer and they do not break off. In case if you keep it for longer, it will get soggy, so do not exceed the time. We'll beat the eggs really well, and then we see that the pan is ready with the oil. The thumbs up has come in, the cutlet is gone into the egg batter. Ensure that the drippings are being removed off and then placed across into the pan one by one. And once the cutlets have been fried on one side, we need to turn it across so that they are evenly fried on both sides. So as and when the cutlets get fried off, we know that it will start becoming brown, and so now here we would see that they are all become brown. The thumbs up has come, it's already cooked. Now we'll extract them from the pan and put it across into a plate, and they are all ready to be served to each now. So lovely cutlets. Thank you very much for watching our video. Stay safe.